Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while. I've been busy with stuff. Anyways, I wanted to do another video on my Radionics D6500 Central Station Security Receiver, or just alarm receiver, whatever the frick you want to call it. So, last video I made, I talked about the receiver and how it works and stuff. But I was talking about how, like, normally they hook up to automation and they send alarms to automation and they send events to automation. Well, I happen to have some automation software that I have my receiver hooked up to, so I thought I'd make a video on show how that works and show like the receiver taking a call, processing the call, transforming the call into an alarm, and then clearing and handling an event within the SIMS security software. So let's go ahead and do that. So first, this is my Radionics D6500 security receiver. I have a video on this. Sorry for the glare, my ceiling fan. This is probably one of my most favorite security receivers ever. I love Radionics stuff. That's why my freaking YouTube channel name is Radionics 461. It's literally a brand of a Radionics pull station. But anyways, yeah, I got two of these. This one is a parts receiver. It doesn't work. I'm going to try to make it work, but the MPU card is screwed and the printer is screwed because the idiot seller ships the unit with the battery in it, and the battery for these units are right behind the receipt printer. So the battery rolled around and knocked a whole bunch of crap loose in here, but all these line cards work and the power supply card works, so it's kind of my parts receiver. This one's actually in better condition than this one, even though this one works, so I'm probably going to take all the stuff out of this one and put it into this one. But this isn't going to be my main receiver for long. I'm going to upgrade to a Radionics D6600 receiver, which is the newer receiver, shortly, and I'll make a video once I get that up and running. But for now, let's just get to the video. Here's the inside. Got all the line cards, kind of dusty in here. You got the MPU, the CPU card, got the power card right there, and then we got the receipt printer with receipt paper in it. And yeah, so let's go ahead and send a alarm to the receiver. Well, let's just do an event. So we will do a test event. So do a command 41 on my Radionics panel, and we'll watch the call coming through. There you go, it picked up on line card 1. So now we're going to process the call. See? Test report. Now watch this. There we go. That's a log overflow. These are log overflow troubles. And then we can see the test signal right there on account 91, which is my Radionics panel. And now we can see that the call hung up. Pretty cool. And so we'll remote into my server that has the Central Station software. Well, the receiver software hooked up to it. So this is Sims 3 receiver. This is hooked up over a serial connection. So I have a serial cable plugged in on the back of my receiver to my Dell server right there. And this just looks at that COM port. And if I do like a test report, I'm gonna hit this button. I'll show you. It just sends data to this. You see that kind of move there, and then we'll get a test event. There we go. Got a zone A TX error because there's no zone account for that. But we'll send another report. Let's do just another test report. We'll watch the call, but right when that picks up, I'll show you Sims 3 receiver software. We can watch the events go through. Wonder what line cards it's going to pick up on. Line card 2. Okay, so we'll watch the Central Station software receiver right here. We'll just watch the entire screen so you can watch the events come through. There we go. We got log overflow troubles, and we'll have the test signal come through right now. Test signal is right there. So yeah, it's pretty cool. One more thing, I'm gonna get off topic for a second. Let me put the camera down. Sorry for I know it's kind of crappy that I did that. Go to the admin interface, and I will show you This right here is the caller management software that I wrote for the receiver. So if random people just try calling my my receiver, they can't, because it's like the same type. I have the same VXML code set up for my phone system. So like I'll show you if I block. Let's just block right here. This is my desk phone. So if I call my receiver number with my desk phone, just hangs up. But whenever I unblock that, the call actually gets through. So yeah, so that's the caller block software. And then I've recorded every single call that's ever been placed to my receiver. There has been 845 calls that's been replaced to my receiver since I got this crap set up. So yeah, sorry for my messy desk, but okay, now let's do an actual handable events. So let's say so far I've only sent test reports to the receiver. Let's do a panic. So let's do a command 9. Let's do a police panic. System's an alarm. You can kind of see my amber strobe flashing. We'll cancel that. We'll see that just picked up. We're not going to watch that. We're going to watch the software here. See the data being sent. You can see we have an alarm. We got our cancel, because I did cancel it. So that's all it should have sent. We'll handle it from this one so I can show it dispatching. So we'll clear an alarm. We clear an alarm in Sims by double clicking. And then we'll hit list 8 events, pending events. We'll grab the other event. We'll grab the cancel right there. And we will, oh, I don't want to do that. We will dial well, apparently that's broken, so we'll just handle it. Normally I can hit dial and it will call my phone right here, but apparently that's not working. I'll have to troubleshoot that at a later time. I wonder why that's not working. So yeah, that was it, taking an event. Let's do a, let's go over here and push this. Ooh, do I want to push that? I don't want to push that, because then that means I have to find my keys, and I don't know where my keys are. We're not going to push that. Let's just do a, let's do this. Clear this. We'll arm the system instant. We'll go over to my door right here. Receiver picked up. Watch the event come through on Sims. We'll go open the server so you can see crap being sent. Okay, so I had a VoIP moment. Freaking, sometimes this panel's kind of, this is a very old receiver, and so I'm going over VoIP. All my stuff goes over VoIP, so sometimes it missed events, and so now we're gonna have to wait for the Radionics panel to redial because it missed a report, so it's got to redial, which sometimes takes a little bit. So we'll wait for this thing to redial. There we go, now we're redialing. Now that we were picked up, we'll watch Sims. There we go, now we're sending events. Zone 1, burglary on Zone 1. TX error was that missed, the VoIP moment. These two were the VoIP moments. And so we see we had a invalid report on account 31. There is no such thing as account 31, so that's why we've got an invalid report sent. So we'll just grab that. And then the TX error was also from that VoIP moment, so we'll just not worry about that, but we'll go ahead and grab the alarms here. So So we got a burglary and we got a cancel. So we'll grab that, go to list events, heading to events, we'll grab the other 2 events, and we'll go ahead and complete it with this disposition code additional alarm. And there we go, we just completed events. So yeah, that was a video of my central station and me using Security Information Management Systems, or SIMS, security software. Yeah, so if you have any more questions on this video or any questions about how the crap's set up, leave it down in the comment section. I'll try to answer it. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. And next video, hopefully, is going to be, well, maybe not next video, but hopefully I plan on redoing my entire rack setup and getting rid of these voice gateways right here and getting rid of all this stuff and just having one massive analog line gateway. So that, stay forward to that. That will be around Christmas time when we make that video. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.